that the pain is not because you are being cut open or you're bleeding or there's an open wound. The pain is not that. The pain, I can sum it in one word. The pain is discomfort. Halo, nama saya Kevin. Saya dari Indonesia, dari Jakarta. And this is my first time in India, and I've done the limb lengthening surgery on November 10th. Jadi sekarang itu udah 7 hari dari surgery gitu. Jadi sebenarnya awalnya ketemu center ini, itu banyak research di Google. Kan kalau misalnya this kind of surgery, it's not common in Indonesia. I know a couple of hospitals that offer it, tapi memang jam terbangnya belum tinggi gitu. Jadi the reason why I choose this institute, Dr. Amar Sarin Institute, is because he's very experienced. And experience means dari segi jam terbang itu berarti jumlah pasien yang dia tangani. The number of patients that he dealt with is more than 3,000 gitu. Jadi dari dengar itu, walaupun medis, kalau teknologi ya pastilah. Mungkin orang langsung mikir awalnya itu pasti pertama ke barat gitu atau ke US gitu. Tapi apakah dokter itu punya jam terbang yang sama gitu? Does the doctor yes, doctors may have qualifications, but do they actually have the number of patients that successfully, do they have that number, you know, do they have that number in their sleeve gitu kan. Jadi that's the first reason I choose this place. And going to the surgery, memang pengen banget jadi tinggi, I want to be tall, it's always a dream. Tapi takut scary, is it scary? Yes, of course. Scary itu mungkin bisa dibagi ada 3 hal ya. I just want to give you introduction bahwa saya 30 tahun dan saya udah pernah surgery sebelumnya. Jadi surgery itu buat saya tuh sangat-sangat hal yang biasa, yang sudah pernah dilakukan gitu. Nah, tapi for this surgery especially, what are my scares? I can break it down into 3. The first one is of course the length of the recovery. Jadi length of the recovery of the surgery, it might take from 3 months, 6 months to even 1 year. It really depends on your body. So, and then you really have to stay in the facility in another person's country for at least 2 to 3 months. I think that's what scared me the most. Jadi dari segi culture shocknya itu kerasa banget. Tapi ternyata setelah sampai di India, when I reach New Delhi, itu mirip Jakarta. Jadi ambience itu mirip Jakarta. And I actually went during Q4, jadi winter, dingin, enak ya di Bandung. It's colder here, it's nicer. So I will actually recommend people to go in Q4 gitu. Tapi my second scared adalah pasti the question will be, will I be able to walk again? Because there's always the question that people will ask gitu. And then there's no sure guarantee of whether you can be able to walk again, but we just see it to probability. How many percentage of people have been able to walk? And what is their medical condition? Jadi I cannot lie that I'm quite active, very active before my surgery. I've been going to the gym daily. I've been doing CrossFit. I've been doing high rocks. I'm very active. Very active. So even in terms of my body weight, it's very ideal. Body weight saya itu 67 kilo, 67 kilo. So that's a very ideal body weight. So if you are not healthy from the start, I think your chances of recovering it'll reduce. It'll give you more risk. Jadi I think that's what you need to cover off. Thirdly, takut pasti scared of pain, of course, pain. And I can assure you, this is I've been to many surgeries. This is one of the most painful, not because sakit itu bukan karena disilat-silat atau dibeset. The pain is not because you're being cut open or you're bleeding or there's an open wound. The pain is not that. The pain, I can sum it in one word. The pain is discomfort. So if you want to do this surgery, you have to be a person who is okay with uncomfortable situations. How can I explain to you? Contohnya, I'm an outdoor person and I'm okay with very uncomfortable toilet conditions. I'm very okay with uncomfortable food. I'm okay with uncomfortable bedding because I go outdoor. I have hike the mountain, and even for me, I already hike the mountain for quite long. Sometimes it's hard for me. Jadi bayangin, if you are a city boy coming here, I don't think that's a wise decision. So you need to really prepare yourself mentally. Maybe you hike a mountain, you put yourself in very uncomfortable situations first. Yeah, in nature, basically. Yeah, and yeah, I think, thank you for the team. The team are very nice. They're very welcoming. And everything here, I can say to you, is legit. It's a legit business that they're doing. If you want to do this, just do it because you want to. I think that's the first thing that I will advise. Do it because you want to, not do it because of someone else. Because in the operation table, afterwards, you will regret it if you do it for someone else. Because because that someone else might not even be there after you're done with this. Right? Okay, so thank you so much, Sarik and team, Dr. Amar Sarin and team, Golu and the team, and the psychotherapist and the physiotherapist. Thank you.